Minimalist designs have become increasingly popular in recent years, and t-shirt designs are no exception. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of creating your own minimalist t-shirt designs in 2024, even if you're a beginner. We will cover the essential tools, concepts, and steps to help you create unique and visually appealing designs. To begin, you'll need the right tools to create your minimalist t-shirt designs. These include design software, a computer or tablet, and reference materials for inspiration in minimalist design. Minimalist designs are characterized by simplicity, clean lines, and the use of negative space. To create effective minimalist t-shirt designs, you should familiarize yourself with principles like simplicity, balance, contrast, hierarchy, and negative space. Before diving into digital design, sketch out your ideas on paper to visualize concepts and experiment with compositions. Focus on the core message or image you want to convey. Minimalist designs often rely on a limited color palette. Select 2 to 3 colors that complement each other and represent your design concept. Use online tools like Coolers or Adobe Color to find suitable color schemes. Now it's time to bring your design to life digitally. Set up your document, add shapes and elements, experiment with typography, and utilize negative space to create a visually appealing balance. Once you have your initial design, assess it critically for simplicity, balance, contrast, and hierarchy. Make changes and iterate until you're satisfied with the result. Save your minimalist t-shirt design in a suitable format for printing and promote it by creating a portfolio, collaborating with t-shirt printing companies, or launching your own online store to sell your designs. Creating minimalist t-shirt designs in 2024 can be a rewarding experience for beginners. By understanding the principles of minimalism, using the right tools, and following our guide, you'll be well on your way to designing visually appealing and unique t-shirts. Don't forget to promote your designs and continue to grow and refine your skills.